Sex should not be painful. Now I'm making this video because this is one of the major problems that a lot of women are suffering from. They end up suffering in silence without even letting anybody know because they feel there is no solution to this problem. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you what could cause pain among women while meeting their partner and the solutions to this problem. You need to watch this video because this video might be a bit long because of the solutions I'm going to be mentioning by the end of this video. The first thing that causes pain mostly among women is dryness, and this happens when there is not enough foreplay before they meet their partner. When you just rush into sex without having enough foreplay, you might not get wet, and this can make you to have so much pain while meeting your partner. The second thing is hormonal imbalance. When you are having hormonal imbalance, maybe your estrogen level is low, you might experience so much pain while meeting your partner because estrogen helps in producing fluid in your V. So once you have an hormonal imbalance, not even estrogen level alone, you might experience dryness, and you will need to make sure you take medications that can regain back those hormones or that could stabilize those hormones in your body. This third thing that could make you experience so much pain while meeting your partner is infection. If you're having bacterial infection, yeast infection, and so many other infections in your V, you might experience pain while meeting your partner because what infection does is it can cause inflammation to your downtown. It can cause inflammation to your organ. And once you have an inflammation there, when it's going in and coming out, you experience so much pain. The other thing that could cause pain is the position you attend, because most ladies like a man penetrating through their back, which most people know as doggy, and this can cause so much pain because his organ might be too long for you, and it can touch some organs like your cervix, and this can cause so much pain while it's going in and coming out. And there are other ways you can manage this problem, and I'll be explaining that by the end of this video. The fourth thing that can make you experience so much pain as a woman if you are meeting your partner is polycystic ovarian syndrome, fibroid, or endometriosis. This condition happens when your ovaries are inflamed, when there's an overgrowth there, or when there is an overgrowth in your uterus. This can cause pain while meeting your partner. Number 5 is stress. If you are tired as a woman and you want to meet your partner, you might not be in the mood, you might not enjoy it, your mind will not be there, your attention will not be there. So to solve this, you will need to make sure you are in a state of mind before you can meet your partner, because if you end up having these affairs with your man when you're not in a good mood, you will not enjoy it and you might experience pain while meeting your partner. Now, to the solutions on what you could do in case you're that kind of person that is always experiencing pain or you are having dryness as a woman. The first thing to do is always make sure you engage in enough foreplay before meeting your partner. If your partner is that kind of person that just likes it sharp, you just want to go in there, you might not enjoy it and you might experience pain because most women might need a lot of foreplay before they can get wet. Or they might even get wet, but they will not get wet enough. They might not be in the mood. So they need to be in the mood before they could enjoy this thing. Now, the other thing you can do if you're having hormonal imbalance, there are medications that can boost your level of hormone. If you're having a low level of estrogen, there are medications you can use. There's estrogen medication to help boost this level of hormone. And if it's other hormones, there are other medications that can use in stabilizing the level. Now, the other thing you will need to do in case you're that kind of person that is having an infection, you need to treat this infection. Because if you don't treat this infection, there is no magic you're going to do. And while you are treating this infection, you need to make sure you treat it with your partner. Because once there's infection, there will be inflammation, and this inflammation will always cause pain while meeting your partner. Number 4 of the things you should do in case you're that kind of person that is always experiencing pain is to make sure you manage fibroid, endometriosis, or fibroid. If you're having them, make sure you go for medications, go and meet your gynecologist so they can give you medications for all of this. And after having all of this and you're still experiencing pain, please do well to rush to the hospital, and I hope this information helps you. If you find it very helpful, please do well to follow my page. Also share this video to as many women as you can. You might be saving the life of someone. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.